PGlite enables developers to run Postgres in the browser, Node.js, and Bun without any other dependencies. React Strict DOM aims to improve and standardize the development of styled React components for web and native. It integrates React DOM and Stylix to improve the speed and efficiency of React development without compromising performance, reliability, or quality. The tool is used at Meta to ship features faster to more platforms with fewer engineers. Reddit has clearly listed one of its subreddits on its S1 form as a possible risk to investing in the company. Functional UI Kit is a design system that focuses on accessibility, development experience, and unified designer-developer experience. It uses Figma variables and CSS variables that share the same names, usage, and inheritance structure. Each Figma variable has a direct counterpart in CSS, so there's no confusion. Functional UI Kit is packed with best practices, unified prop names, and consistent design and code. Mariposa is a toy programming language that claims to implement time travel as part of its feature set. The JSON lines text format, also called Newline Delimited JSON, is a format for storing structured data that may be processed one record at a time that works well with Unix-style text processing tools and shell pipelines. Meta's new test generator recommends fully formed software improvements that are verified to be both correct and an improvement to current code coverage. A document from Google's antitrust case against the U.S. Justice Department revealed that Microsoft offered to sell its Bing search engine to Apple several times over the past few decades, with Apple declining the offer over quality issues every time. Microsoft's almost $100 billion investment into Bing over 20 years was not enough to create a product comparable to Google's. Google's case centers over whether the company has a monopoly in web search. Microsoft's CEO previously testified that he has focused every year of his tenure as CEO to see if Apple would be open to a default search arrangement for Bing. Odysseus landed successfully on the Moon on the 22nd of February. Built by Intuitive Machines, Odysseus is the first private lunar lander and the first U.S. lunar lander since 1972. It is currently around 300 kilometers from the lunar South Pole, an area that may contain ice. The lander experienced a malfunction that required a software patch hours before landing. It will collect data for up to 7 days until night falls at the landing site. BlueSky, the company, is using BlueSky, the microblogging application, to prove the viability of the Authenticated Transfer Protocol, at PROTA, a federated protocol for large-scale distributed social applications. Prota can't be controlled by any one organization due to its federated nature. Various parts of the system that communicate with each other can have multiple people running them. This article takes a close look at how Prota works, explaining its structure, how the system is supposed to work, potential issues, and more. Humans may not be able to command a skill premium once they are augmented by AI,